the fifth. I mean, there's this performative piece that I think Tim O'Brien and Sue have both spoken to of Alina Habet. Tim O'Brien said she changed her outfit 3 times one day in court, and I'm not sure that has a legal purpose, so I'm assuming that it's performative. Maybe there was a legal purpose. But to the degree that fraud has already been established and they're figuring out what that means and what the punishment is, I wonder how they act. What are your best guesses?
You know, Nicole, this is such perilous terrain for these 4 Trump witnesses because, as you say, the judge has already found Trump liable. He's already ruled against them, concluding that they were involved in sort of massive, systemic, years-long business fraud. And now these 4 witnesses are going to be examined and, importantly, cross-examined on their business practices that it seems like the judge implicitly has concluded some of it involved fraud. The reason I say it's so perilous, and frankly, they would be well advised to just plead the fifth. Nobody wants to plead the fifth because it's not a good look in the court of public opinion. But even more importantly, people don't like to plead the fifth in the context of a civil case because the finder of fact, ordinarily a jury, can then draw negative inferences from it. They can hold the invocation of their Fifth Amendment right against self-incrimination against them. But listen, Judge Engoron has already granted partial summary judgment, and it's all about the disgorgement, how much money they're going to have to pay back at this point. So I'm not sure what the upside is, other than perhaps a perceived public relations upside to these 4 people, Don Jr., Eric, Ivanka, and Donald Trump himself, testifying substantively. You know, it seems like their attorneys would advise them, listen, just plead the fifth and let's get this over with, because you can only hurt yourself. If they lie, Nicole, I'm not saying this is the perjury trap, because the only thing you have to do to escape from a perjury trap is tell the truth. But maybe there's something more important to Donald Trump than the truth, like his perceived value and wealth. But, you know, if they lie under oath, I would not put it past New York Attorney General Letitia James to charge them criminally with perjury. So it seems to me they have a lot to lose and almost nothing to gain.
Let me show you what Trump had to say.